Pastor.
You'll be fine.
Ofobike, my friend.
Alfonso.
You and I know in few market days to come, I am supposed to be crowned the king of Aman's kingdom.
It's okay. It's okay.
But the possibility is no longer there for me. It is certain that I will not survive this. I will not survive this condition. I am already losing it. Losing my strength. I am tired. I need to rest. I need to join.
Sorry.
I need to join my ancestors. I need to rest. I need to rest, my dear friend.
Alfonso, nothing will happen to you. I promise you, you will be fine. At least for the sake of your son.
I know, my dear friend. I know I will be fine. I invite you here to remind you of our promise. The agreement we had in the presence of our chief priest. The chief priest of Aman's kingdom. Please, do not forsake, do not betray me, do not betray our friendship. Okay, now my son.
Father.
Be strong. Excuse us.
I told you, I promise you. Alfonso, just relax. Just relax. Alfonso.
Doctor!
Alfonso, nothing will happen to you.
Doctor!
Alfonso.
You cannot take my rightful place. It is my right.
Lies. Really?
Okay then. Fine. Let's watch and see.
Watch what?
My love, do not pay attention to this
What is
lie.
wrong
I
with
am
you?
the first daughter.
You
and
are
princess
not
of this
the
kingdom.
first daughter.
Alright?
Neither
I
are you
am
the
your
princess
wife.
of this kingdom.
Pay attention to me. Listen to me. I am the first daughter.
Hey!
Mad woman.
You're stupid.
What the hell is wrong with you guys? Are you out of your minds? You have neighbors, right?
Yes.
Guys, who is the older person?
Me.
I am.
How?
Everybody knows.
Okay,
This is not obvious.
hold on. You're twin sisters, right?
Yes.
Unfortunately.
Fine. But one person came out before the other.
I am
And
the
that's
first
me
daughter.
standing
I
right
came out
here
first
in
before
front
this
of you.
team. I came out first.
Who did?
I am.
I am the first
Obviously.
daughter. Can't you see?
No, you don't understand. One person has to come out first. Who came out first?
I came out first.
You
mad?
what is wrong with you?
I came out first. Look at it. I'm taller.
Taller?
Yes.
Then you should say thank you to this 4 inches you're wearing.
Whatever
Will
you're
you
wearing.
shut your mouth when I'm
okay,
talking?
all
As your
right.
elder sister, you listen to me. No, you
No,
dare
don't
not
do
do
that.
that.
Hello,
What is
shut up.
wrong with you?
Look at this thing.
Look at this thing.
I am your older sister. So
Really?
respect.
Prove it then.
Not really. Let's ask our mother.
Then go ask your mother. And don't you dare talk to
Hey,
me.
shut up, my love. I am the first daughter.
Are you
okay?
still listening to
I
her?
am your wife to be.
She's crazy. She is not. Isn't it obvious?
Hello.
Okay.
Shut up.
Can I talk?
Yes, my love.
Go ahead.
Alright. Guys, listen to me. I totally understand that you're confused. You do not have a direction right now.
I'm not.
But I can clearly see that you have no idea how much of a serious business this is. You have to tell me who is the older one so I can pick a wife.
I am. Isn't it obvious? Is it not?
Okay, now. I am the first daughter
God, this
and the
mad
princess
woman
of this
once again.
kingdom. Believe me.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. I can clearly see you're not ready. So when you're ready to negotiate, I'll be waiting.
No, you
There
don't
is
have
nothing to negotiate. This woman is not the first child of this kingdom.
Are you mad?
You
Are you
stupid.
stupid? He's just leaving.
Leaving?
He can't even pay attention to what I have to say.
That's because you're not.
That's because you're shouting.
You're
You're
your
making
boy.
noise.
Now listen to me.
You're making
Have you
noise.
seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? You see what you just done? What is going on here?
Mother,
When you
noise.
hear this is the last
Mother,
time
I want
you will
to your
ever
daughter.
speak to my husband to be.
her.
Let them know you are This is
What her?
What is going on?
What her?
Who you are a daughter? And say how to say away. The law of the kingdom says that the first daughter, it is my right to get married to her. I must.
Hey,
So, Mother,
hey,
this will be the last time I will want her. You just
Stop
talk to
lying.
her and
Stop
that's
lying.
it. Is this why you people are putting your
What
bed?
your daughter? Tell her to stay away from the prince.
Adaku.
This is why you guys are putting yourself. Adaku. Dimma, come back here. Dimma.
Adaku. Dimma. Mother. What is going on in this house? Eh? Why do you people always bring problem into this royal home? Both of you are sisters. As far as I'm concerned, it's only but one person that will become the princess of this kingdom. So why can't the other person give support to whomever the gods will choose? Enough is enough.
Mom, that is the problem here. Because I am the one person you are talking about. I don't know the demon that has possessed my sister. I don't know why Dimma, my younger sister, cannot support me to wear my crown and become the princess of this great kingdom. According to the customs and tradition of this land, the first daughter, Ada, which is me, marries first before any other person. So I don't know the problem with my sister. Mom, talk to your motherless daughter
You are a big fool for saying that. Are you mad? Who is your younger sister? Tell me. Who is younger? Are you stupid? No. It's like you have lost your sense of reasoning. As such, you do not have common sense. Because if you had your sense of reasoning and you had common sense, it should have just told you that I am older than you are. And as such, the princess of Amanze. And for you, mother, I need you to talk to your husband, the king, when he gets back. Tell yourselves the truth. Yes, talk amongst yourself. And as such, tell us who is older between this idiot and myself. As it stands, I will not entertain it, nor will I lose my birthright to anyone, not even this idiot that calls herself a Dako.
You're stupid. Did you hear what I said? You are so foolish. What makes you think you're older than I am? I warn you, do not address me in such manner again. Mother, warn this thing. Warn your daughter to not talk to me like that again. Else, she will not like what I will do to her.
You cannot do anything. Adako, try me. Try me and I will teach you a lesson of your life, idiot.
You know, I really do not have your time. I really do not have this luxury of time to exchange words with losers like you. But I promise you, very soon, you will see the product I am made of. I am not capping. Mother, warn this thing. You know, you and father should sort these things out. Because I am done exchanging words with this fool. Enough about disrespect.
Listen to me. You are sisters. Are you not ashamed of yourselves?
Ashamed? Mom, aren't you old enough or even big enough to own up to the truth? You are the cause of all these problems. You are the root cause of it. If you could just open your mouth and tell us who is all this amongst the both of us, then we won't be in this mess. And I will not sit here and be insulted by this nitwit that calls herself a Daku. Mother, I respect you, but right now, both of you are getting on my last nerve. I am trying so calmly to sit here and compose myself.
Please, you can go ahead and rant. It's okay, both of you. No, you can go ahead and rant for all I care. But I warn you, stay the hell away from my man. I am not.
Get out of here!
Mom, please.
Out!
Rubbish.
Get out!
Out.
Mother.
Get out! Give me my view!
Fine, mother. Fine.
Adako and Dimma, why are both of you trying to bring this royal household to the mud by fighting yourselves every day because of who wants to be the princess of this kingdom? Why can't you calm down and allow me to sort out things? Now listen to me, both of you. I will not take this nonsense again in this palace. Enough is enough. Lolo, talk to your daughters. And you, Prince Udoka, why are you not doing anything to stop your sisters from fighting? You kept quiet, watching them kill themselves. Eh?
Father, I am doing my best to calm them down, but they are not listening. But mother, why did you forget the twin that came out first? Because that is what is causing this issue. But we need to calm down. Let's resolve this amicably, please.
Udoka, I have something crucial to say. Are you done talking?
I hope it's something related to this discussion we're having now.
Whatever. Maza, we want this thing. I mean, this lunatic standing beside you to acknowledge me as the older sister. Dimma, I would advise you flee from this mad position of becoming the crown princess of this kingdom. Because that will never happen. But if you fail to do that, no problem. Promise you, this fight will never come to an end.
Mom, did you hear that? Did you hear how my younger sister just spoke to me?
Really?
Anyway, mother, if you do not tell her to desist, the next fight that will ensue will be bloody, and I promise you that.
You're mad. Dimma, take a good look at me. Do I look like I'm scared of you? No, bring it on. Don't push me to skin your life.
If you do not keep those leprosy finger you call hands, I promise I will chop them off. Do you understand me? Idiot.
You are a fool. A bigger fool. No, you are so
Obviously,
insensitive.
you are insane.
No!
And you're mad.
You are stupid.
Arrant nonsense.
Look at you.
Mom,
Vagabond.
I have a question for you.
If it's about this issue between you and your sister, I am not interested.
Aren't you tired, Mom? Aren't you tired of the incessant fight in this palace? Aren't you tired of seeing my sister and I kill ourselves daily? Mother, you are a woman. And as a woman, you should know who you betted first. Quite fine. You gave birth to a set of twins. But the question still stands. Who did you bet first? Was it my sister or myself?
Maza, this is the same question I was about to ask. Are you confused? Are you not a woman? Isn't it obvious that you are playing a family politics here? Are you taking your time to consider who your favorite is? Or you just want you want my sister and I to keep fighting over this position of the crown princess? Do you enjoy seeing us fight each other? Hey, Maza, I am not going to give up the position of the crown princess. But also, I am tired of fighting. Just spill the truth for once. Let's end this whole thing. Tell us, who is the older sister here? Me or my sister?
Mom, before the mosquitoes started whining, you were about to answer me.
Are you mad?
Save us that distraction, darling.
Are you mad?
Mom?
Did you refer to me as... Are you mad?
Okay, it's okay.
Are you mad? Calm down. Did you refer to me as...
Throw it if you can.
Are you mad?
I dare you to throw.
What is wrong with you?
My lord, you said you want us to talk.
Yes. It's all about our daughters. I overheard you quarreling with Adako and Dimma yesterday over the same issue. And I keep telling you that the whole thing lies on you. You are the person that will bring solution to this problem. My dear, I'm giving you 2 market days to think deeply whom you gave birth to first. Because the older one would wear the crown. I don't want problem in this kingdom. Yes, as you can see, there is problem. You and I know there is problem. But you are the only person that will solve this problem. Or do you want them to kill themselves before you say the truth? Like I told you, everything lies on you. One is your kudochia.
It's okay, my lord. I will try my best.
My dear, this is not a matter of you trying your best. You know what to do. Think deeply. So you don't know the one that came out first? Emaro, please do something. For 1 hour, sir.
Igwe, may you live long.
Yes,
Igwe, there's fire on the mountain. I am unhappy. My mother is very, very unhappy. Igwe, I am aware that my father had an agreement with you before he died. And that agreement states that I must marry one of your daughters, as tradition demands. Igwe, what is going on? I have to start building my family, just like my late father did. But your daughters are my problem. The last time I was here, I left very disappointed because they displayed a very, very stupid behavior. And sometimes I wonder who raised them. Igwe, I need a response from you.
Okay, now my son. If I tell you I'm not confused, I am not telling myself the truth. Yes. But I must tell you that all we want is patience. I know that soon everything will be sorted out.
Igwe, how soon is soon?
My last discussion with my wife, Lolo, I told her that she hold the key of this problem. I gave her 7 days to think deeply, to come up with something. At least she should know the first among my daughters that came out. She's the only person that can solve this problem. I gave her 7 days. My son, go home and return in 7 days. I shall give you the good news.
Igwe, thank you for your response.
You're welcome.
I shall return in 7 days. Igwe,
you
say,
shall be well with you.
It shall be well with you, Igwe. You can
Grand corner.
I don't even know the reason why they are dragging this princess of 18 as if it's a do or die affair. Eh? If you must ask me, I will say this princess position is not even the problem. I think it's that handsome guy. Yes, it's that handsome guy that is entering their eye, that is making them to be misbehaving. Do you know this nonsense they are doing that doesn't suit them? They don't know they are the princess of this kingdom.
See, my problem with them is that they are too arrogant. If not, one of them should accept to be the younger one and allow the other one to be crowned the princess of Amanze kingdom. But, Komo, I'm beginning to agree with what Amara said. I think they both have interest in that handsome guy. You know, when it comes to men, we girls, some of us are so desperate when it comes to men thing, you know.
I think you guys are getting this whole thing wrong.
How?
Yes, the problem is the first princess that is fit for the crown, okay? And should get married before the other. But in this situation, the both of them are interested in the crown. And maybe that is what the fight is all about, pretending not to know who came before the other. I don't understand it.
What do you mean by that?
Of course.
It's the mother. The mother is the main problem here. Do you want to tell me that the queen don't know who came out first? Eh? She should be the one to settle all these things. She should say the truth so that the whole problem will be solved and everywhere will be peaceful.
Exactly.
She's the problem of this kingdom. She has to say the truth.
Why are you girls running your mouth? Saying something you know nothing about. Let me ask you girls. What do you know about royalty? Or what someone will do to become a princess? I guess you don't know because poverty is written all over your faces.
What?
Yes. Two sisters are fighting themselves. Instead of you to look for a way to help them solve the problem, you are making mockery of them.
Look at this one. You want to go and help the princess. You want to go and advise them. Who gave you the audacity? I don't understand. Please tell me. Okay, tell us. How do you want us to go and talk to them? Give us the courage, advise us, tell us what to go and do. So that when we get there, we'll open our mouth and talk and they will listen to us. You are busy rolling your mouth like typewriter. You want to go advise them? Go advise them now. You are the one poverty is written all over your face. Go and look yourself in the mirror. All this your malaria dream to not come to pass.
Exactly. And I don't know where you get all this nonsense from. Look at who wants to advise Adako and Dimma. As what? A common maiden like you. Huh?
My dear, you better listen to them. Do not go and get yourself into some kind of trouble. You know they know better than you. So don't even waste your time trying to advise them, okay?
Don't worry, I will go and talk to them because they need to know the truth. They are sisters. This fight will not lead them anywhere. Instead, it's going to destroy them. Yes.
Special advisor. Mrs. Advisor. Let me advise you before you go and advise the princess. Better mind your business in this palace. You see that your dream of becoming the princess of this kingdom, it will never ever come to pass. I'm telling you the truth. Mind your business, mind your business.
She's over, my dear. If I'm asked to say, you better listen to them before you go and put yourself in one trouble like that. Do not get yourself involved into trouble, please.
Thanks to you, girls. But I have to do what my heart has directed me to do.
Exactly. Nipa. Where is she going? Hey, this girl want to put herself into problem. This girl want to put herself into problem. Just look where you got. Hey, this girl want to go advise the princess. Hey.
Please, may I speak with you? Speak to me as what? On whose command? Speak. Please, my princess, don't be offended in what I'm about to tell you. It's about you and your sister, Princess Dimma. The way you both are dragging who will be the princess of this kingdom. I want you to know that among the both of you, one must be the princess. You have to support each other, please. Come here. No, I need to understand what just happened here. You are dressed my sister's Princess Dimma. Sorry. And you stand before me to advise me about my family? I'm sorry. Are you mad? What gave you the guts? Have you forgotten your position in this place? You are nothing but a common maid. Your duty in this palace is to sweep the compound and keep it clean. Hey, don't you ever do this silly thing again. I am the only princess in this house. In this entire community. Alright? Dimma is nothing. What do you even know about royalty? Look at this nothing. Don't you ever do this nonsense again. I'll spare you because I'm in a lifetime. I'm sorry, my princess. I didn't mean to upset you. Get out before I'll slap you again. I'm sorry.
Chizoba. What's going on here? I'm asking you a question, Chizoba. What's happening here? I was inside And I heard you calling someone princess. Whom were you referring to as a princess?
Sister.
What? Have you suddenly gone nuts? Tell me. Listen. Let this be the last time in your entire world you refer to this thing seated here as a princess. I am the only princess in this palace and in this kingdom. Do you understand me?
Chizoba, get out of this place. Now!
Stand right there, Chizoba.
I said get out.
I said stand
Get
there! Don't you dare move
I said
from
get
this
out!
place. Are you stupid? When I am talking, you adhere to me. Now look at me. Did you hear what I just told you? Good. Now you understand. You may now leave. Perfect.
Come back here.
I said leave this place!
I said come back here! You know, I can see that some people are running mad. But I will let you run your mouth freely today. Don't try this tomorrow with me.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled.
Since we want you. Don't go. You said no. You want to go and advise them. Nepagi, you want to go and advise the princess. Now, they have landed you with big dirty slap. Big one, see your face. It's red. You don't shine red. Next time, when people who are older than you are talking to you, you will listen to us.
You are even lucky it was Princess Ada that slapped you. I'm sure if it was Princess Dimma, you would have fainted by now. Idiot. Special advisor.
Bia, joy. Amara, I don't like the way both of you are talking to Chizoba. I don't like it. When did it become a crime to advise someone? Or is it because she's a maiden? See, let me tell you, why you get as a bill.
Look at this one. Who is talking? Wait, shift. Who is talking? You. Come. On whose side are you? Earlier, you were the one that was advising her. You said, don't go. Now you're saying a different thing. This coconut head. Who is this one? You shift first. See, better advise your friend. Advise her. If not, why are you pink?
Come on now. All I know is that no matter what they do, I will always speak the truth.
What can I cook? Hold on. Hey. Then be ready to receive more slaps.
God forbid. Hey. Nobody is going to slap her any further. What? See, Nne, it's better we leave this place for them. See, come, let's go.
Holy Spirit and
you want to go and advise them more?
Oh yeah?
You want to go and advise them?
It's okay, don't mind them.
This girl.
There's Holy Spirit.
I don't understand this girl in this palace. I don't understand this girl. You are advising her not to go. You are still the same person saying that
this girl is an hypocrite.
Better advise her well. I know that she's your close friend in this palace. Advise her well, so that she will mind her business and keep her mouth shut. If not, she'll put herself into trouble one day.
My lord, I have checked and checked, but I couldn't remember anything. I can't remember anything. Considering the circumstances surrounding their delivery, there's no way I will be able to remember anything that happened that day. Even the doctor said it, that I was in coma for some hours. Before I could wake up, he has placed the babies together. So no one was able to identify who came out first.
Then doctor has solution to this problem. Why not call the doctor? He will be able to dictate among our daughters who came out first.
Even if the doctor is here, he won't be able to do that. They are grown now. Moreover, I called the doctor a few days back. The wife picked the call and told me that the doctor is dead.
Huh?
That he was involved in a plane crash.
What?
So I don't know what to do.
My God. It's okay. I know what to do. We must have solution to this. What? Plane crash. This is serious.
My elders.
I called you all for this meeting to put heads together to solve this lasting problem in this palace. This issue has been causing a serious fight between my two daughters. We need to do something because our kingdom needs a crown princess. But both of them are fighting for this particular position. And me, myself, I don't know what to do. That's why I called for us to do something about this.
Right. Your Majesty, my fellow elders, I think this matter is a very simple matter. Very, very simple. So our people normally say that Nani nwaanyị mụrụ nwa bụ onye ma nna nwa ya. Lolo is here. Tell us between the two daughters who came out first. Whom did you give birth first? Tell us so that this matter will be settled.
Ichie, I think I'm in support of what you just said. Lolo, you are the one holding us here. This matter is long overdue. The earlier we settle this issue, the better. Tell us who came out first.
Ndichi, I greet you all. Seriously, I don't know.
Ah.
I don't know.
Okay.
Because based on what the doctor told me that immediately after giving birth to them, I went into coma for some hours. So there is no way I will be able to identify who came out first.
Well, no problem. Oh no, you had her. Do you have anything to say?
Oh yes. At this point I have to comment. We all know that we have custom and tradition. And we have to follow it. The matter is very simple. Very simple. The two daughters, the Igwe daughter. All we need to do is fix a date. Ask them to prepare themselves and come. That very day, the Ezemo will come with the offer and the crown. So ever the crown rests on, the person is being crowned. The other person will go and rest. And this matter is finally buried.
I think this matter is settled now.
Huh? What did you say?
Yes.
Are you the way to conclude? Oh no, we just say something. Allow you go to take a decision. You say this matter is settled. Are you the way?
Zimuzo, are you the way as well?
My elders. My elders. I think in that case, in the 2 market days, every one of us will gather at the Obi for the coronation. Oh no, I want you to take this message to the chief priest. Tell him about our discussion today.
I will do just that.
Your Majesty, sorry, don't be offended. Are you sure this man sitting down here will deliver this message? This will know. Are you sure he will deliver this message very well? Because I don't trust him. He's a con man. Are you sure he will deliver this message?
You don't trust me, eh?
I don't trust you.
Okay, do it yourself.
It's okay.
Susan, go and do it. This is Susan. Go and do it.
Igwe, thank you for having me. The last time I visited, you asked me to come back in 7 days. That you shall give me the good news. Igwe, it's past 7 days and I haven't heard from you. May I know why?
You're welcome, my son. I remember telling you that the last time you visited, that I shall give you the good news. My son, go home, get ready, because in 2 market days, one of my daughters would wear the crown, and you will now proceed with the marriage rite. So just go home and get ready.
Igwe, are you sure about this?
Yes, of course.
Igwe, thank you very much. I'm very excited to hear this. And I know my mother will be very happy as well. Igwe, can I see her?
No, there's no need for that. Because we don't know which of my daughters that would wear the crown. Just go home and prepare. Come back in 2 market days. All these your troubles will be over.
It's okay, Igwe.
Good. My regards to your people.
I shall come with my people.
Alright. That's okay by me. Whichever way.
This is a promise
I'm with you.
that must be fulfilled. Comrade consumption.
Mother.
Where is your sister? I asked both of you to come out here so that I will have a word with you.
Mother, that idiot is not my sister, so stop referring to her as my sister. Anyways, I don't know.
And who cares? You should ask yourself. If I, Princess Dimma, accepted you to be my sister, a husband snatcher can never be my sister. I warn you, stay away from this crown. Because over my dead body, will I ever allow you to be the princess of this land? Never.
Then be ready to die because I will kill you with my bare hands. Where were you in the first place? When I came out into this world, you were lazily lounging in my mother's womb. While I came out, cleared the road for you. So this is my birthright and my inheritance. I will not let you take it away from me. Do you understand me?
Really? How are you so sure? Listen, I am smarter. I can take you out of the way before you see the light of another day. But I ask, is this a threat or what?
I do not make threats. You and I know that whatever I say, I see it through. So I'm not making a threat, dear. I am making a promise. And that's on period.
Wow, amazing. We'll see to that. We'll see who is the player here and who the joker is. Maza.
Adaku, please. What is all this? I did not call both of you out here to come and start exchanging words. I simply called you out so that you know how to sort this thing out once and for all. What is all this? Huh? If you may know, in the next 2 market days, there's going to be a coronation ceremony. Let us know whom the gods will choose.
You heard, Mom. Little sis. It's okay to cry. Because when I finally become the crown princess of this land, bet me. I'm not sure you will ever resist again in this kingdom. Mother, I believe we're done here. Excuse me.
Mother, if the reason you called me out here is for you not to tell me the truth of who came out first, then there wasn't any need of you calling Mother. It wasn't necessary.
Dimma, do you people even consider it?
Mother, you are the cause of all these problems. If you simply tell us who came out first, we won't be here having this conversation in the first place, would we, Mother?
Adaku and Dimma, well, look on your wire. I know agree, you know agree, na him the tear shirt here. This na kata kata, this na giddy giddy. The ways of fighting, like what's the enemy? This na kata kata, this na giddy giddy. The ways of fighting, like what's the enemy? You are fighting for crown, fighting for position. One mother walk or they will not. One day, one day, a pull up the woman change. You are fighting for crown, fighting for position. One mother walk or they will not. One mother walk or they will not die far. One mother walk or they will not die far. You are fighting for crown, fighting for position. One mother walk or they will not die. My eyes have seen something in this world.
My princess, you see for me. Mommy.
I would want to change your life for better.
What do you mean, my princess? I'm confused.
Aside working in this palace as a maid, what else would you like to do when you leave here?
My princess, I learned fashion and designing, but I don't have money to buy my own sewing machine and open my own shop.
What if I promise to give you the money for your sewing machine?
My princess, you have to give money to open my own shop. Thank you so much, my princess. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much.
But I have a job for you.
Anything, just say it, I'll do it. Anything at all, I'll do it.
This is 200,000 naira.
For me?
Use it for your sewing machine. After that, you will disappear from this palace. For good.
Leave the palace. Disappear. My princess, sorry, I don't understand. What kind of job is that?
Take this substance. After dishing Dimma's food, add it to her food. Make sure she eats this, alright?
Sorry, my princess. If I add this to her food, what will happen?
Oh, nothing at all. It's only going to make her to sleep. That's all.
Sleep? Is she sick?
Hello? Are you sick?
Sorry, my princess.
Something wrong with you? Why are you questioning me? Listen, get this done tonight. Hey, nobody should hear about this. Else, I'll kill you.
Who sent me to promise? Hey. What have I got to myself now too?
Adako and Dimma, well, look one ya wire. I know agree, you know agree, na him that ya shed you. This na kata kata, this na giddy giddy. The winds are fighting like what's the enemy? This na kata kata, this na giddy giddy. The winds are fighting like what's the enemy? You are fighting for crown, fighting
Amara,
for position.
What are you doing here? Is everything alright?
Nothing, I'm fine.
You don't look happy. Did anyone annoy you?
Nobody annoyed me, I'm fine.
Then what are you doing here all alone?
Nothing, I'm fine. Please, I was doing something in the kitchen. I'll see you later.
I'm not sure. All is not well with this girl. Let me go and find her.
Princess. How am I going to achieve this? Eh? What if she wakes up on the process of me raping her? And what if she catches me? And you know this can lead to my death.
Do you not trust me? Listen, I got this. I have everything planned out. She is not going to wake up anytime soon. She'll be in a deep sleep. And I'm sure she may wake up maybe tomorrow at 11 a.m. So you have nothing to worry about. I want you to get this job done tonight. Make sure you disvirgin her.
My princess, what if she later found out? What would be my fate?
How is she going to find out? Who's going to tell her? How is she going to know? Please relax, okay? I got you. Get this job done and clean. That's what I want. Alright, just do a very perfect job. This is money. Have it. If you get this job done and very clean, I'll give you more money.
Okay, my princess. Consider it done.
Hold on. Make sure you disvirgin her.
Thank you, my princess. Consider it done.
Obika, you mean she gave you all that money just to do that?
I'm surprised and confused. I'm telling you.
Obika, what are you going to do now?
Pius, if you ask me, what will I ask? She instructed me to rape her virgin sister. Like, it's confusing. I don't know. What will she stand to gain? How am I even going to do that? That is big, with a big waist. Now, if I want to do that, will it be the princess?
But wait, are you going to do it?
I'm still thinking about it.
Obika, you know you are my good friend. I don't need to remind you that before we started working in this palace, we took an oath that nobody should do evil or plan evil against the royal household. My brother, anything you do, you may be stoned to death. Whatever you are thinking, remember your poor mother. And be careful.
Amara, see money.
Sorry now.
Okay, how are you going to do it now?
Don't worry. It's a small tax. I've collected the money already. I cannot return it. So I have to do it. But I'll do it with style so that nobody will notice.
Okay.
All you have to do for me now is just hold this money. Hide it. Take. Don't worry. I'll do that tonight. This night. I'll do it. I'll make sure nobody sees you. Hide it now.
I've hidden it.
I'll do it this night. Don't tell anybody. Keep your mouth. Sip it. Sip it all.
It's sealed now. I'll not tell anybody.
I'll see you later. Yeah. Let me go and finish what I was doing. We'll see you later, okay?
Be careful.
I know agree, you know agree, na him get your shirt here. This na kata kata, this na giddy giddy. The ways of fighting, like what's the enemy? This na kata kata, this na giddy giddy. The ways of fighting, like what's the enemy? You are fighting.
My princess, please, I don't want you to eat this food.
Why?
I made a very big mistake while preparing the food.
What mistake?
I added too much salt and pepper. Even your sister, she couldn't even eat the food. None of us was able to eat the food.
Do you hear how silly you sound? So as grown as you are, you cannot even make a complete meal. Now you had to spoil the food. What do you expect me to eat this night? You want me to go to bed hungry?
I'm sorry, my princess. Please don't eat it.
The next time you make this mistake again, you will like what I'll do to you. Do you understand me?
Yes, my princess.
You're one for today. Don't try it next time. Now get out.
I'm sorry.
Just get out.
I'm sorry.
What kind of meetings are these? Now I'm hungry, like really hungry. What do I do?
Good morning, my princess.
Obika,
My princess.
how did it go last night? I hope you delivered your job.
It's really well. My princess, your sister is too sweet. Hi! I really enjoyed her. How I wish I can be going there every day.
Listen, I don't care if she's sweet or not. I want result. How come she's very strong this morning? I didn't hear anything about last night. Look at her over there, exercising, as if nothing happened. Are you sure you did this job?
Your sister is no longer a virgin. Yes. As I entered the road, everywhere was so open and wide. There was no police checkpoint. There was no army checkpoint. Even the Boko Haram, there was no Boko Haram checkpoint. So everywhere was so clean and open. Hey! Your sister was so sweet. Oh.
Hey, look at me. Are you lying to me?
No, my princess. I can't lie to you. Your sister is no longer a virgin. The expressway was so wide and open and clean. It was so sweet. You can go. Thank you, my princess.
Hello. Hi, Johnson. How are you? Yeah, I'm calling to remind you of our Can you hear me? Yes, I'm calling to remind you of our appointment in 3 days' time. I should remind you? What do you mean? Did you forget? You're funny. My wife-to-be will be crowned the princess of Amaze Kingdom, and I'm likely to do the introduction of our wedding. Our traditional wedding, yes. Okay. Listen, I'm just telling you, okay? Don't mess things up. Okay. Get off my phone, thank you. Yeah, alright.
Pretend I do the worst. Claiming what you're not, knowing fully well you've lost your virginity. You know, why don't you just give up this fight instead of going about causing troubles for everyone in this palace? What a shame.
Well, I do not have time for idle gossip. If some idiot knows who they are speaking to, they should better go and touch the person and see if their teeth will not be scattered all over the floor this minute.
I don't believe in talking too much. You talk too much, Dimma. Why don't you show me what you can do?
Adako, there is no murder in my blood because if you push me to the wall, I promise you I'm going to commit murder. Leave me, Adako. I do not have time.
Dimma, I am standing beside you. Show me what you can do. Stand
Adako,
up.
Do not touch me.
Oh, of course I'm going to do it again and you will do nothing.
Adako,
No, I'm pushing you.
Adako,
Dimma,
what is your
what?
problem?
No, show me what you
Adako,
can do.
what is your problem?
Are you man? Come on, get out of here. Show me what you can do.
Adako, leave me.
Why would I leave
princess,
you?
it's okay. Stop it, my princess. My princess.
Cha amanze kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezono.
Igwe.
We all know why we are here.
Exactly.
Ezemo. Over to you.
Igwe, first,
a supernatural test for virginity. Bent! She is still a virgin. She is still a virgin. Your hand.
Try again. I'm sure it will fit.
Wait! No! Stand up! You are not fit to be a crown princess. Give me the meat. Go! Rise! You come. Kneel! Don't waste the time of the gods. Kneel! Your hand. Your right hand.
What is going on here?
Put it.
No! The gods reject you as the crown princess. Leave here now!
What is this?
Your Majesty, evidently the gods reject your daughters as crown princesses. The reasons are not revealed to me.
hell happened out there? What just happened? Oh my God. Gods of our land. Gods of our land. I am a virgin. Adako is also a virgin, according to the chief priest. So what happened? Why did the crown reject us? No. This is insane. This is insane. Something is wrong somewhere. Yes. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. What is it?
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Comrade consumption, it must be done. Cause life is a race. All man on his own. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring destruction, afraid to share.
Obika told me that he penetrated her without any blockage. Meaning she's no longer a virgin. What is happening? Is there something going on? Does it mean this? No, he can't be lying to me. He can't be lying to me. He can't. No. He lied. Oh, I hope this guy did not lie to me. Did he lie to me? Is this something this boy is not telling me? What am I going to do now?
My princess.
You heard what the chief priest said. Did you hear what your foe said? So my sister is still a virgin, just like me. Did you not do your job? Obika, I paid you to deliver this job. Did you not deliver the job I paid you for?
My princess, I'm sorry. I did not do it.
You didn't do what? You did not do what? I paid you to get this job done. You didn't do what? Are you mad? Answer me! What did you do it?
My princess, I'm sorry. Before we started working at this palace, we took an oath that we are not going to do any evil or do anything that is going to hurt the royal household. That anybody that tries to do any of such, the person will die or run mad.
You are mad. Obika, you are a big, stupid fool. You will die. Do you realize you're a big fool?
Yes, my princess.
A very big fool.
Fat one.
Get my money. Alright? Before I count to 3, get my money right here in this room now.
Princess, I'm sorry. I have used the money. I used the money to take my mother to hospital. She was not feeling fine.
I don't care. Shut up. I don't care what you do with the money. Just provide my money. Else, I will do something nasty to you.
I'm sorry, my princess. No, don't worry. I will go and meet your father. I will go and meet the Igwe. And I will ask him to borrow me some more money. Or maybe give me half of my salary. So that
You're not just a fool. But you're also a moron. What are you going to tell my father? What business did you do with me that warrant such an amount of money? Are you not thinking at all?
No, not doing any business.
You're not thinking?
I'll just tell him what transpires between.
Get out. You're asking me what?
Thank you, my princess.
Get out!
Thank you for the money. God bless you.
Fool! Get a simple thing done! Something very little. Oh.
So, guy, what are you going to do?
This is complete nonsense. Absolute nonsense. If the gods of this kingdom can reject 2 princesses of royal blood, who then becomes the princess of the kingdom? And most importantly, who's going to be my wife? Something is definitely wrong somewhere. You know, I've been thinking. I suspect the Igwe's daughters are no longer virgins. Or there's something definitely wrong with the palace. They must have done something to offend the gods. And right now, the gods are angry. On the other hand, maybe the Igwe doesn't want me to get married to his daughters. He must have forgotten the agreement he had with my father before he died. That I must marry one of his daughters. I don't understand what's going on, but I'm going to find out. I'll find out.
So how are you going to do it?
I'm not sure how, but I'll get to the root of this matter. I need a drink.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Comrade consumption.
Your Majesty,
It must be.
I could not sleep last night because of what happened yesterday. You see, this is our kingdom. I think we can do something. Because the maidens of this kingdom, the young ones, have no one to speak for them. I am of the opinion that this position must be occupied. Lolo, is there anything you can do or say to assist us in this manner?
You know, as it is now, even if Lolo actually dictates the older one among them, there is still problem. First, we have to find out why the crown rejected them. Very, very important. After that, we will now know what to do next.
Your Majesty, even at that, Lola can still give us good suggestion or solution to this subject matter. After all, she is their mother. But Lola, let me say, ask you, is any of them or both of them possessed?
Oh no. None of my daughters is possessed. There is nothing like that. If there is anything like that, I think I should be the first person to detect it.
Lola, I don't agree with you. To the claim that you know them very well. Because if you know them very well as you claim, you should have known that there's a problem and know the reason for the crown rejecting both of them. So can you still help us?
It's okay, no. Is there anything you know that we can do to come out from this problem?
Yes, my Igwe. I suggest that we go to the chief priest, meet him one-on-one, and tell him to assist us to know what we should do to get us from this ugly situation we are.
Then go and find out what it will take, and I will give it to you.
Okay, Your Majesty, I will do all that.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Comrade consumption, it must be done. Cause life is a race. A man on his own. Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye.
You are favor. Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. Afọ n'abalị n'ọka Igbo n'azụ. Ajala ihe awụ mmanya onye owu wetara.
wee na-ajụ kedu ihe a ga-emewu ga-ebiri? Kedu ka a na-egbubi wee laa ubi? Kedu ihe a ga-eme ka udo wee dịrị? Agwakwa na ya ga-eme. Awe na-ajụkwa o nwere ihe ọzọ dị aṅaa enwekwara ike ime ka udo wee dị? Leenụ mmanya, leenụ mmanya, leenụ mmanya, leenụ mmanya. Ihe ruru ọbara ndanda. Ajala. Wogriwo.
Eyes of the gods, what did they say?
Oh no, speak no more. Go and tell the Igwe that is the only solution. Go.
Okay. It's all right. Eyes of the gods, I will do so. But it's going to be a very hard task for me to do. Because I know those girls, they will do anything to make it difficult. But as you say, thank you, I will obey you.
Oh no, the gods have spoken. Go and tell the Igwe exactly what I've told you.
I'll do that. Eyes of the gods, eh? Thank you very much.
Yeah. Ajala. Ajala. Ajala.
Oh no, how did it go?
Your Majesty, the chief priest said that's going to be a very serious problem in this our kingdom. And I believed him. Because what he asked your daughters to do, they will never do it.
What did he say?
My Igwe, the chief priest said this. One, that the gods of our land have refused to talk to him. Secondly, that the solution to this problem lies in the hands of two of your daughters. That one of them must willingly step down for the other. And then we crown the other one the princess of our land. If we fail to do that, it will get to the point that the gods of our land will call for revenge. There's no maiden representing the women in the ancestral kingdom.
Oh no. My challenge now is my daughters. None of them agreed to step down for the order. I don't know the way they are going about this issue of the princess of our kingdom. I don't know how to explain it.
My king, this is exactly what I'm saying. You see, I know your daughters very well. When they come with their trouble, it's not palatable at all. But nevertheless, you are still their father. You have to do something. At least talk to them. And if you cannot do that, invite us, your cabinet members, and we will talk to them.
It's okay, no. I will talk to them. They are my daughters, like you rightly said. But whereby they refuse to listen, I know what I will do. I will know the next step to take.
Okay, good. But come to think of it, Lolo, your wife, did not do well at all. Had it been she was vigilant in the labor ward, she would have known the one that came first, and this dilemma we are will not arise at all.
It's okay. Oh no, this is not the time to apportion blame on anybody. Let us solve this problem first, before we now know whom to blame and who not to blame. Let us have this problem solved first.
Okay. Your Majesty, I agree with you. Then we'll solve it.
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine, it must be done. Cause life is a race.
Ma, here.
Thank you, my dear.
Carelessness in a twinkle of an eye. Bring this. Don't be afraid to share your worries.
Mom, send for me.
Yes. Sit down.
Is there a problem?
Please sit down. Okay. I called you to know what you intend to do concerning what you told me that happened in the palace. You know, time is of essence here. And you are not getting younger. I want you to look for a good girl and get married to. We cannot continue to wait for that drama that is going on in that palace. I mean, I'm worried about it.
Mom, the truth is, these things are easier said than done. Before my late father died, he vehemently warned that I must not marry a woman who's not from a royal family. I'm afraid of the outcome. If I do that, what happens afterwards? That's my fear.
So what are you going to do?
I suggest we exercise some patience, give it some time. I mean, if the Igwe comes up with his decision, fine. If it doesn't, then we can, proceed with our decision. Mom, these things bother me more than they bother you. So I suggest we stay patient and see what happens. Let's give it some more time. Everything is going to be fine, I promise you.
Okay, I'm waiting. But then I'm worried.
I know you are, but I promise you everything is going to be fine, okay?
This is a promise that must be fulfilled. Come rain, come sunshine.
Adako, you heard what I said. What do you have to say about it?
Oh, Father, I'm going to repeat myself again. I've said this before. I am not going to step down for anyone to take my position in this kingdom. Not even for this fiend seated in front of me.
Dimma, and you?
Father, for the fact that I came out first, that should count for something. She should respect that. So please, don't tell me to step down.
And who told you you came out before her? Don't say what you're not sure of.
Then tell us who came out first, Mother. Because you are the cause of the problem here. If not for your carelessness, we won't be seated here having this conversation in the first place.
Dimma, you talk to your mother in such a manner? Is something wrong with you?
Mom, I am sorry if you feel insulted, but the truth has to be told. You are the cause of all of this. Tell us who came out first. Then all of this will be solved. Please, if you cannot talk, then advise this thing seated here to just avoid me. That crown belongs to me. I will not step down. I will wear the princess's crown because my people need me, especially the young maidens of this kingdom.
Dimma, look at this fool talking. In your little head, you believe the maidens of this land who want an insensitive thing like you as their crown princess. Why not just step down already?
Please, we all need to calm down, okay? We need to focus on the issue on ground now. And stop arguing over seniority. It won't help us in any way. And how are we sure that if Dimma steps down for Adako, the crown will fit in her? How are we sure about that? Please, we need to be reasonable here.
My son, the chief priest said if one will step down for another, this problem will be over. But listen to me, both of you. I am giving you 3 days to come up with something. Discuss and come up with something. And tell me what I want to hear. If not, you will not like my action.
Father, with all due respect, harassing us isn't the solution. You can shout, give ultimatums, and do whatever you wish to do. It won't change anything. What you should do as my father and as the king is to take your wife, the queen, inside to tell you the truth. Tell you who she betted first. It's as simple as that. Hold it a minute.
Dimma.
I sense some sort of foul play here. Obviously. Father, trust me. If this foul play plays out and something goes wrong and it's against me, I will not take it lightly. Father, I will burn down this palace, and that's on period.
Dimma, how dare you talk to father in such manner? Have you forgotten that I'm the prince of this kingdom? You have to be mindful of the way you talk to father. Father, I'm sorry about that. Dimma, Adaku, you have to leave now.
And who gave you the right to give such command?
I am your elder brother and I have the right to tell you what to do. Okay? You better be mindful of the way you talk to me.
When you're talking, brother, make sure you drop your tusk before you talk to me. Don't you dare raise it at me next time.
Father, before I leave, I am not in the mood for this child's play. But let me make it clear to everyone here. I, Adaku, will not step down for anybody. You see that crown? It's mine. And I'm sure going to wear it someday. Excuse me.
But I'm still waiting for you to take your wife inside and start the conversation. Because I will stay here. I need to know whom she betted first. It's as simple as that.
Your Majesty, I came back and my son told me what happened in this palace a few days back. And I'm here for us to discuss and know how to tackle the issue. You're telling me of a new development, which is not a problem anyway. But wait, are you saying that since you told your daughters what to do, that they have not accepted to do it?
Both of them swore never to step down for the other. I am tired. I don't know what I have done to my daughters that they are frustrating me.
So, where are they?
They should be in their rooms.
Okay. Adam, sit down. Hey, sit down there. Go there and sit down. I'm not joking with you. I want to ask you girls a question. Are you aware that this throne belongs to my family? That my late husband handed it over to your father in trust because they were good friends. How will you feel if this throne leaves your family? Why are you people causing problems in this palace? Why are you frustrating your father? You are sisters, twin sisters for that matter. Why can't one of you step down for the other? You all know that it is only one crown princess. Whether you like it or not, it will only be one person that will be crowned the princess of this land. What is wrong with you girls?
Exactly, mother. You just spoke my mind. Only one of us will wear the princess's crown. And that person is none other than me. Yes, me, the person seated right here. Let's even leave that, mommy. Let me ask you a very beautiful question. You were supposed to be the crowned queen of this kingdom. Unfortunately, your husband, the king-to-be, may the gods rest his soul, passed before he was crowned. Let's assume a non-entity comes from Neverland to come steal your position in this kingdom as the queen, how would you feel? Would you stand for it?
My dear, my case is different. I was already married to my husband, but none of you is married to my son. So any rightful person can still take the position.
You said it again, Mommy. The right person. And that person is none other than me. Because my mother gave birth to me first before this idiot seated right here.
Who told you that? Are you sure of that?
Thank you, Mommy. In fact, may the gods of this land bless you for asking her this. Hey, stupid girl.
How sure are you? Mommy? Why do you even think you're older than I am?
Mommy.
Stupid thing.
Mommy, I respect you a lot and I respect your presence. That's why I won't allow this idiot sit here in the first place, because if she insults me one more time, I will beat her black and blue. I don't blame you. It's my mom who does not even know who she gave birth to first. That's the reason. If not, I won't stand for this.
Dimma, are you shouting in my
Mommy,
presence?
I'm sorry.
Now
Mommy,
listen.
look at who said she has respect for you. This girl is so disrespectful.
I don't want to know. Shut up.
She
Zip
can't.
it. Zip it. Listen, you two. You both should decide within yourselves who is going to step down for the other. Make a choice. Speak with one voice.
Mommy,
The
I am
next
not
time.
stepping down for anybody. I am not.
I do not care anymore. If you people do not want to cooperate within yourselves, I will ask my son to go elsewhere and get a good girl and marry. I'm not cut out for this your unending troubles. I will not wait anymore. Just like the SMO say, if you cannot speak with one voice and one mind, watch my action. You people have just 7 days to take that decision. I am leaving. Nonsense.
Get out. You don't have to.
Shut up!
Get out!
Shut up!
Get out of
You
my
like to
room.
bark
Get out.
like a dog.
Stupid thing.
I'm not even give her the effort to come here to start talking to us. I don't know and I don't want to know, question. Father, you just hit me.
How dare you, Dimma? Now listen to me, both of you. I've tolerated you enough. And I'm not ready to do that again. I'm not ready. I'm giving you 2 days to tell me what I want to hear. Or you will see the other side of me. 2 days! And all I want to hear is that either you or she have stepped down, or you will not like me. If I should lose this throne, if I lose this throne, I will send you out of this palace and you go outside and waste, if that is what you want. 2 days, I said. 2 days!